Imagine waking up in the year 2040, in a world where drones are as common as cars, and the sky is alive with the hum of autonomous flight. Welcome to the future, where drones have revolutionized the way we live, work, and interact with our cities. Your morning commute is no longer a stressful battle through traffic. Instead, you simply step onto your rooftop landing pad, summon a drone taxi, and in seconds, you're soaring above the city. These electric-powered autonomous drones have made commuting faster, safer and more efficient, completely transforming urban transportation. But it's not just about getting from point A to point B. Drones have taken over urban logistics too. From delivering your morning coffee to transporting urgent medical supplies, drones are the silent workers of the city, ensuring that everything you need arrives exactly when you need it. They navigate the skies with precision, avoiding obstacles and other drones with ease. In emergencies, drones are often the first responders. Imagine a person collapsing in a park. Within minutes, a medical drone arrives, equipped with a defibrillator and a live connection to medical professionals. These drones save lives by drastically reducing response times and providing immediate care in critical moments. High above the ground, drones are busy building the cities of tomorrow. These construction drones are not just tools, they're highly efficient workers that can lay bricks, weld steel, and even paint with incredible precision. Day and night, they tirelessly construct the skyscrapers and infrastructure of the future, making urban development faster and less disruptive. Beyond the city, drones play a crucial role in environmental conservation. They monitor air and water quality, track wildlife, and even help in reforestation efforts by planting trees in hard-to-reach areas. These environmental drones ensure that as our cities grow, we maintain a balance with nature, protecting our planet for future generations. As night falls, the drones take on a new role: security. They patrol public spaces, providing real-time surveillance and alerting authorities to any suspicious activities. Equipped with non-lethal deterrents, these drones help keep our cities safe, reducing crime and providing peace of mind to residents. This is the world of 2040, a world where drones are not just tools, but integral parts of our daily lives. From transportation and logistics to healthcare and environmental protection, drones have reshaped our cities, making them more efficient, sustainable and safer. Welcome to the future, where technology and innovation create a better life for all. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this vision of the future, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest innovations that are shaping our world. Let's imagine, innovate, and build a better future together.